interesting. IPD, very highly regarded in the industry from the institutional investment side. And, it's 13th year, is it this year? 14, I can't remember.
So
Resi Index, yes.
Yeah, it'll be the 13th year in the UK.
Yeah, okay. 2 years ago, part of the All Property Index, which was absolutely great, meaning that if institutional investors don't have part of their portfolio invested in residential and in the broad market, they've got to answer questions from the institutions. Martin Moore is very clearly at the moment standing up and saying he thinks within 5 years residential will be, an asset class that's invested in by institutions in the same way as they do in the others. When's your view as to when residential won't be an alternative? One assumes it's going to be scaled clearly, but
I don't know at what point do you think it would need to get to of the All Property Index? 10%, 15%?
I suspect it's going to be something like that. I mean, I don't ever see student becoming part of that because the student market is very limited in relation to residential. Clearly, the potential for residential is enormous.
Yeah, I think what IPD call it is ultimately not that important, and when it ceases to become alternative, we just know when the large institutions are mainly invested in resi, they've all got residential specialists, then...
Well, I think it is actually, because it gives the institutions confidence. IPF last week, were you at the IPF conference?
No.
They had two major institutions, 500 people in the audience. Resi was their prediction for institutions to invest in. Right up there, actually. It was quite fascinating.
Well, things are changing, and it's certainly of more mainstream interest. I'll put something out there actually. If you're interested in knowing how the market performed last year, our launch results for residential are going to be on the 4th of March in the morning in central London. It's not inconceivable that we won't hold a specialist residential launch again after this year. It's something to be debated. And the fact that it's becoming more mainstream is a large part of that.